Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the error encountered while updating your Windows 10 or 11 devices. If it's failed and saying 0x80070643 error, and this particular error we can easily fix in two simple methods. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support me. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. As a first step, we have to use the services window. For that, go to the Windows search bar and search for services. You will find the services app under best match results. Click on that. So once the services window pop up, you have to find Windows Event Collector. Let me scroll down and locate the Windows Event Collector. Here it is. So once you locate that, right click and select Properties, and then if it is manual, select that and set Automatic, then apply. So once you apply the changes, don't forget to start it again and then hit OK. Now at second, you have to find Windows Event Log. Right click on that, then select Properties. Again, you have to ensure that it has selected Automatic option. So if it is, let it be, and if it is not, select the Automatic, apply and say OK. And finally, you have to find Windows Update. Scroll down further, locate the Windows Update option, right click, then select Properties. Again, stop the services for a while. It may take few seconds to complete. Just be patient. And once it's stopped, select the startup type. Again, select Automatic, apply, and finally, you have to start the services and say OK. Guys, this time close the window, and finally you have to restart your Windows operating system in order to work this. And if some cases, if it is not worked for you, then move to the second method, that is the command prompt method. For that, go to the Windows search bar and then search for CMD. Right click on the command prompt app and select Run as Administrator. Now you have to execute few commands here. Don't worry, I have provided these commands in the video description. Just go there, copy one by one and paste here. Let me show you how. So these are the commands I have to copy and execute. Let me select one by one and go to the command prompt. Right click on the top bar, then select Edit and hit Paste. So then hit Enter. So next you have to copy the second one. Right click on the top bar, Edit and Paste. Hit Enter. So like that you have to execute the remaining. And finally this one. Okay, we have successfully copied and executed these four commands. So after that you have to type exit to exit this command prompt. So guys, in order to copy these commands, just explore the video description below and copy from there. So after this, don't forget to restart your Windows operating system in order to work this. And finally, check whether you can update the Windows 10 now. So that's it guys, this was the quick and simple tutorial for you that how to fix 0x80070643 the Windows update failed error. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon. Well, I trust I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.